Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this beautiful 2017 Infiniti LX570. To me, I think this is one of the best full-size luxury SUVs money can buy. It for sure is Lexus's flagship full-size luxury SUV, based on the Toyota Land Cruiser platform. It has legendary off-road prowess and amazing reliability. These things are used all over the world, especially the UN. The World Health Organization use these to go into pretty unfriendly parts of the country in rugged terrain and come back unscathed and still running strong. I don't think you can get much better in build quality and durability than the LX570. You can certainly spend more money on a luxury SUV, but as far as a combination of luxury and refinement and build quality and durability, I don't think there's too much else that could really go toe-to-toe with the LX570, maybe a Land Cruiser counterpart. This one is loaded with just about every available option you get. It was close to $100,000 when new. Luxury package. You have a cooler box in there. It's like a little refrigerator to keep your drinks nice and cool in there, or maybe you have kids, young infants, you can keep the milk cool in there. Amazing terrain management system, that probably one of the better out-of-the-box SUVs you can get. You have a adjustable air suspension, locking differential, terrain management system, so you can deal with dirt, sand, snow, gravel, whatever the world seems to throw at these things, they can handle. Heated steering wheel, heated and cooled front seats. The Mark 11 sound system was an option, and not a cheap one. I think it was like a $2,500 option. We do have the original sticker for this thing. Sounds absolutely amazing. HD radio, huge display screen, parking cameras, so you can keep this beautiful luxury SUV looking good. No reason to curb up those beautiful wheels. You also have a controller. It's kind of reminds me of like a trackpad for a mouse. Very intuitive and easy to use. You know, your hand just falls right there. I love the wooden leather up steering wheel paddle shifters. Heads up display, a little bit hard to see in the video camera, but it displays the speed and other information right on the windshield, so you don't have to look down off the road. I love the contours of the hood. A little bit hard to see on the video camera, but it has these cool contours, and I just love the way it looks when driving it. It's a little thing, but things like that, you know, appeal to me. Maybe they appeal to you as well. Really nice color combination, and white on black. If I was going to buy one, this is the color combination I would get. White is so easy to take care of, and this looks beautiful in white. And black is a nice, easy color to take care of, especially with kids, versus a lighter interior, which is subject to wear. You know, your jeans can rub off and leave blue marks with the lighter interiors. Black is just so much easier. Beautiful 21-inch wheel and tire package, I believe. Yep, 21 inches, and these wheel and tires are also upgrade as well. Tinted windows all around. Power adjustable second row seat. Rear entertainment system. Nice big screens. It's almost like you have an iPad right in front of you. Very impressive. And then this also has very comfortable second row accommodations. You have separate temper controls for the second row passengers, and heated and cooled outbound seats. Not a common option you find on luxury SUVs for the second row. Sunshades. Those come in handy when you have kids. The LX570 has a two-part tailgate, making it a little bit easier to manage. The seats are pretty easy to fold. Freeing up a little bit more cargo space, and I think the second row seats fold forward too for even more cargo space. You have AC power back there as well, and as you can imagine, this thing hardly has a mark on it with such low miles. Clean Carfax West Coast vehicle, recent trade-in. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. If you live in a different part of the country, we have experience selling cars and trucks all over the country. We regularly sell vehicles out of state. On a monthly basis, we can help arrange shipping and help get your vehicle registered and licensed. wherever you may live. Contact us for more details. Love the front end styling, that big gaping Lexus grille. I think it suits the looks and lines of the LX570 pretty nicely. I don't think the grille might work out as great on some of the other Lexus products, but I think for what this thing is, I think it's a good look for it. That's a great V8 engine using lots of Lexus products. I believe it makes about 370 horsepower, plenty of torque. If you're in the market for a luxury SUV with outstanding build quality and reliability, it doesn't get much better than an LX570. Contact us with any questions and stop by for a test drive.